What's up, Cones Club? So today we've got a bunch of fun stuff to do. So we have we're going to later we're throwing a Cones Club party, inviting some of our fans, and we're going to have a chalk war. It's like bean bags filled up with chalk. We're going to do that. We've got a bunch of those we're going to do. We've got a bunch of fun stuff to do today. Yeah. And we are going to be testing out some things that we've seen on YouTube. Like stuff with this stuff. And something with this. We're going to try that stuff out. No. And we got some foods that we are going to try. We've got mango nectar. We've got sardines. Which I like sardines there. Autumn's trying them. Sardines. And the biggest one, chicken feet. We've got chicken feet. Before, on one of our other videos we tried.
That's chicken poop on the feet.
On one of our other videos we tried pig's feet. So
what, Dad,
why
what
not
feet
try
were you chicken's feet?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Dad raised these chickens and now the feet.
It looks like there's poop on that one.
Russell, you gonna eat one?
You can see the bones.
Yeah, it's got nails on it. Slide it down here. Russell didn't even want them in the buggy with him.
And never stick one of these plastic bags on your head like this. Don't do that.
I'm not touching these. I'm not even touching that.
Hand them to me.
I'm not
touching it. And then we've got a big surprise at the end of the video. We are going to be dyeing Dad's hair purple. Well, not his hair, but his beard. We're going to dye Dad's beard purple.
We were going to do pink, but I don't know how pink will work.
Yeah, pink's not going to work, so. We got purple!
It's going to be crazy, so stay tuned for
the end for a big surprise.
And the party!
Okay, so we're going to take a can, and we're going to sand it down a little, and we're going to put it in some Mr. Plumber, and it's supposed to like. So we put some Mr. Plumber in here. We'll just sit this in there, and it's supposed to dissolve it and just leave this plastic filming stuff around it. So we're going to sand it down. I'm really excited. I always have safety first. Although I don't. Would these gloves protect us if we got that stuff on us?
Protect you longer than without gloves on.
True. I guess Dad's going for it then.
And we'll turn our head and close our eyes. Ooh.
So I'm going to let Autumn file it. Don't file up here because we'll save that.
Okay.
I'm going to let Autumn file it for a little bit, and it sort of destroys the nail file. So if you do have sandpaper, and this is actually what y'all can do it. Alright guys, so our table has got a little bit messier because it took us a while to do this, and our little brother likes messing stuff up. So
he loves to be an artist. He's painting and playing with clay.
So here is our finish. It's pretty good. You can still see a little green, which is fine and good. At the top, you don't sand it down right here too much, but it's good. It's good. So now we're going to get on to the next part. Alright guys, so Daddy is about to pour it in there. So
Wait, Dad, how about your gloves?
Don't forgot them. Don't do it without gloves though.
yeah, do not do it without gloves.
We got some on the table. It's funny.
My dad's just you know, he's my dad.
He's dangerous.
So don't fill it all the way up. You want to leave a little bit left.
Oh, now it's gonna eat his hands.
So, side. Yep. So, we're not totally sure how long to leave it in there. So we are going to tell you how long to leave it in there. Right now it is 3:57. So we'll tell you how long we left it in there.
Gonna dye Dad's beard purple. Yeah.
This is for you.
Can you see me?
Okay, let's squeeze some in my hand. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Oh,
So,
let's squeeze some in my hand.
This better come out eventually.
That'd be funny.
What color is it?
purple.
That would
Okay.
Measure us just a little.
Oh, like, so
Put
we
it on
have to do
Daddy
it even.
Does it look good?
He said no. Vessel said this did not
Sure,
look
it
good.
stinks.
Oh no, it does stink.
Yeah, I have a watering nuts.
We gotta make sure that after we do
I don't have
this.
two gloves.
Push pause, push pause. I don't know how well this is going to work. Because it's not that much. Ooh, that's a good piece. This is supposed to be sort of like bleach blonde hair. And I mean, he's got red hair. So we're not sure.
Not on my head, not on my head, not on my head.
So,
Oh, I shave my head more than I do my beard.
Yeah.
his beard is so long.
Yeah, I never thought how long it was. We should have got 2 packs.
Here it is. Does it look good? Does it look good, Russell?
It does. It's gonna look amazing.
Am I gonna be pretty now?
Now it looks like your hair is just
You like this better or the ginger
looks-
beard?
the bird.
Ginger beard's better.
It looks like when you get in the light, it's a little bit lighter, but like now it's just like it just looks like it's a little blackish, purplish, bluish.
You need candy now? You already hopper. You said so.
Just like Dad.
Oh.
Yo, he just light a candy to open it. That's milk. Dad just lighted that candy pack. What does this say?
I'm got one of your candies.
Now we take this and comb it out.
I told him it looks like girls here.
Look how long it is. Longest piece is down here.
Yeah.
Daddy.
What? You need another one? I'm getting my hair did.
Does it look good?
Alright. Now we dry it.
Purple hair dye and catch.
This blow dryer smells like dead fish. We're not totally sure what was put up, or Nana put it up somewhere, so don't have my gloves on.
Shoot, it does stink.
No, doesn't it smell like dead fish? Why is it not blowing like that?
Wait, save it for the party.
Let's see, it's sorta, you can sort of tell it. You probably can't tell it on camera though. You can sort of tell it. It's like his beard got a different. It's like it's not really purple, but his beard turned like a different color, sort of. I mean, if you look really close, you can see purple. Like,
No, that beautiful.
yes.
You can't tell it on camera. It just looks like we straightened your beard on camera.
No.
Yeah.
Well, you can tell it here.
It's actually purple, guys. Well,
Right, so Dad is getting the chicken feet, and we're going to attempt to cook it on the fire.
I'm not eating any.
Yes, you
You
are.
didn't eat the, you didn't eat the pig's feet. You have to eat this.
Yeah, Danny, we ate pig's feet, and you were
That's disgusting.
Don't even have the nails on it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's got the bones all the way in it. Russell! Russell threw the candle on the fire.
No. Oh, man. Blood's
Broke my
dying out
stick.
here.
There you go. Now it's got a stick in it.
That's disgusting.
I'm not eating that.
You need to put them on people's cars for Halloween.
I hope you're gonna like that, Bradley.
Hey, that's a YouTube idea. Put chicken feet on people's cars.
Bradley, you think this is gonna be good?
No.
Look at him. Got a little soldier
Look at Danny videoing.
for my YouTube.
Russell just threw the other chicken leg in
I'm
there.
trying to grab it. I feel it popping.
Yeah, we like curled up.
I need to fix it so we can roast it.
Ew, I want to zoom.
So this will take a long time to cook.
So we'll get back to you. It's very hard to cook it. As you can, Russell, stay over here. As you can see, it burnt it, but it's not cooked all the way through. Oh no!
Oh, no.
No, it fell! It fell!
I missed it.
Trying to switch it up. Don't want to touch it.
Hang on. All right.
Touch it.
Put them on the grill, Alexa. You're going to have to eat them.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Yeah, Bradley.
All right.
She
I'll
has
see
to,
you when
right?
you get home.
It makes a weird noise when you stab
What?
it.
You ain't throwing the roasting sticks in there, are you?
Yep.
Here goes the puppy in the fire. No way. No way.
Just pick it up with your hand. Autumn, you gonna put a foot on the grill?
No.
Seriously.
Grilling out some chicken feet. What? They're burning a little bit.
Too much partying is.
Let's see who's eating it.
Turn that music off. Get him off.
So they're done. Autumn, turn it off.
Turn it off.
Copyright. Well, you're going to have to block the music out of that.
Me too.
You eat it.
No,
Do
you-
not
you-
give that little boy a chicken foot.
He's.
Ew!
This tastes burnt.
Look, Ross. See the helicopter? Up there.
Ew!
Ross. Up there in the sky.
It.
Where?
Hello, puppy.
Throw that out there for the cats.
Or the dog right here.
Don't give that to that baby. So, how was it, brother?
You have to eat it. You didn't eat the pig's feet.
Mommy, that's it, Mom. Eat that. Mommy?
Danny, Russell wants Danny to eat one.
Oh,
Ew.
Oh, yeah,
He asked you if you liked it.
it just tastes burnt.
It tastes bad.
It don't really have a taste. Think about it.
No.
What you think about it?
You take a bite.
I would take a
you
bite
take
of
a
one of
bite.
these, but I'm afraid they're not cooked. I don't know. Is that cooked?
It don't look no cooked.
It looks overcooked.
No!
What's in your hand?
No! Where'd you even get that?
No.
You can eat it. I don't want it.
Eating sardines.
Try it, Autumn.
No, I'm not touching it.
Y'all wanted to make it a video eating gross food.
I already ate sardines.
Hey, Bradley.
Sardines are good.
Oh, wow. It'll make it better. That scared me.
What do you think? I'll eat a finger.
What's in my hand?
Dad's gonna eat a finger.
It look like-
Ew!
Here you go. Ketchup. Let me see it. What? Might taste good with it. It's
Savannah ate.
something violet.
It looks creepy.
Ah, here. Ah. Is this a...
Do it for
Do it.
the Combs Club.
Oh.
Nope, I'm done. No more.
Come here, I'll be there to it.
No more.
Let me see if I can get her.
The dog likes it.
No.
I don't know which one to eat.
Just pick one. They're all the same nastiness. It's just bitter. It don't taste like it's bad, but it's not like chicken bad. It's just burnt.
Eat it.
No, it'll flame up. Just take it. Just do it.
Don't think about it.
Yeah, don't think about it being.
Don't think about it. Go, 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 go. Eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it.
Copyright.
Sorry, Salt Snake.
I turned it off. Damn it.
Put this in. Eat it, eat it.
You eat it.
Russell, get one.
Do it again. I didn't see.
Russell, get one. Ain't Kim gonna call you. You can show it to him.
Do it again.
Eat that one. One time.
Riley.
The dog's eating them.
Wait, she's gonna call you.
It's a dog.
Not parents that with me till she does.
Autumn, you gonna try one?
Don't eat the bone.
Russell, he likes it. You like it, Russell?
No.
Little grill and for the video.
Riley. Thumbs up.
Nasty.
So you went fishing?
You digging up that stump, boy? Autumn, you been taking good care of the fire, ain't you? Yeah, good the fire going, girl. You too.
I'm the only one that doesn't eat hot dogs when we.
So you ate chicken feet.
No, I didn't.
Yo, sucker. You ain't chicken feet. That's why I never eat it. That's how you get sick.
Emma getting rid of all these leaves.
Oh, look how big the fire is.
Danny trying to pull wood out with a bicycle.
I will. It's gay.
It has.
You about got it.
Here, scoop it up in here. Scoop it in here.
There you go.
We're getting the fire ready. What versus potato?
Whoa.
It's raining potatoes.
Did you see that, Rose? Was it loud?
Here's a chunk of it.
I think the firework won.
It's the rain potato. Wait.
There's a little bitty piece.
Yeah, I got a little big piece.
There's a chunk.
Here's a big chunk. That's where the firework was.
Yeah, because it's too smoke.
Well, that's one way to cook your potato.
We blew up a potato.